In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Airbit. By the end of this guide, you'll be ready to seamlessly integrate your Stripe account with Airbit, making transactions easier and smoother. So let's dive into it. To begin, open your favorite web browser and navigate to airbit.com. Once you're there, look for the login button at the top right corner of the page and go ahead and click on it. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to sign up first, but for those of you who already have an account, this is where you proceed. Now it's time to enter your username or email along with your password in the respective fields. Keep in mind that ensuring that your details are entered correctly here is crucial to gaining access to your dashboard. Once you've filled in your details, simply hit the login button. After successfully logging in, you'll need to locate the profile icon, usually at the top corner of the interface. Click on this profile icon and you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Seller Dashboard option. This will redirect you to the Seller Dashboard where you can manage various settings and preferences for selling on Airbit. Once you are on the Seller Dashboard, click on Profile and then on Account Settings. These sections are pivotal as they allow you to customize and manage your account preferences. Once in the account settings, scroll down until you find the Seller Preferences. This area is key to tailoring the way your account behaves in terms of sales transactions. Now, click on Manage Your Seller Preferences. Here you'll be able to find and locate Stripe. Stripe is the payment processor that you will connect to your Airbit account to handle transactions. Click on the option labeled Connect with Stripe. This will initiate the process of integrating your Stripe account with Airbit. When prompted, you'll have to select your Stripe account, follow the on-screen instructions and click on Connect. This step is vital since it authorizes Stripe to work with Airbit. If you haven't completed your bank details within Stripe, the system will ask you to fill them in at this juncture. It's essential to have your banking information readily available when completing these details, as this ensures the successful connection of your accounts. Once all the necessary details are completed and verified, you'll receive a confirmation stating that your Stripe account has been successfully connected to your Airbit account. At this point, you're all set to start processing transactions easily and efficiently, and that wraps up our tutorial on connecting Stripe to Airbit. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has been helpful and makes your experience on Airbit that much more seamless. Until next time, happy transacting.